Hello students, welcome you all once again. Students, in the previous class, we have learned valence bond theory and the main important features of that theory. Hope you have learned all those points. If you understand those points only, so what I am teaching you today in this class, it will be clear to you students. Okay. So, today in this class, we are learning the type of hybridization and the shape of various complexes with different coordination number I am going to show you. Okay. So, write down the type of hybridization and the shape of complexes of different coordination number. Okay. So, make the table like this students. First column coordination number, second one hybridization, third one is shape and fourth one is structure. Okay. So, carefully follow what I am explaining today. First one, if the coordination number of the metal atom is 2. Okay. If the coordination number of the metal atom is 2, hybridization will be sp and shape of the complex will be linear. Okay students, if the coordination number is 2, hybridization will be sp and shape will be linear. Okay. Now, how the structure of the complex would be? This is the metal atom. Okay, these are the two ligands. So, when the coordination number is 2, hybridization will be sp, shape is linear and structure will be like this. So, the linear structure of the complex metal with the two ligands. Okay students. Now, coming to the second type, when the coordination number is 3. Okay, hybridization will be sp2 and shape of the complex would be planar triangular. Write down the shape of the complex planar triangular. Okay. Now, what would be the structure or how would be the structure of the complex? This is the central metal atom. So, 3 ligands. Okay students, you can see the structure of the complex when the coordination number is 3, that is the shape is planar triangular. So the structure of the complex would look like this. Metal with the 3 ligands. Okay students, clear? Next, moving on to the next complex. So coordination number 4, write down the complex with coordination number 4 and hybridization sp3 and shape of the complex tetrahedral. Shape of the complex tetrahedral. Okay. Now look at the structure of the complex. So this is the metal atom. These are the 4 ligands. Okay, so this is the structure of complex when the coordination number of the central metal is 4, hybridization sp3 and shape tetrahedral, students. Okay, and when the coordination number is 4, so I told you the shape of the complex might be tetrahedral or square planar. Okay. So there is one more option when the coordination number is 4. Hybridization will be dsp2, students. Okay. So when the hybridization is dsp2, the shape of the complex will be square planar. Shape of the complex square planar. Okay. Now look at the structure when the shape of the complex is square planar. So this is the central metal. Four ligands. Okay, so this is the structure of the complex when its shape is square planar. Okay, students, this is about when the coordination number is 4, the hybridization might be sp3, okay, or dsp2. Depending on the hybridization, the shape would be tetrahedral if it is sp3 and the shape would be square planar when the hybridization is dsp2. Okay, next moving on to next type. Write down when the coordination number is 5. When the coordination number is 5, hybridization dsp3 or it can also be written as sp3d and the shape would be trigonal bipyramidal. Okay. So look at the structure of the complex. So these are the 5 ligands. Okay, like this you should draw the structure of the complex. Okay, so this structure is called as, students, trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, understood? Metal with 5 ligands, that is coordination number is 5. Okay, and the last one, when the coordination number is 6, the hybridization would be d2sp3 or sp3d2. So anyway, you can call d2sp3 or sp3d2, and what would be the shape of the complex? It would be octahedral. Okay, look at the structure of the complex. This is the central metal. Six ligands. This is the structure of the complex when the shape is octahedral, that is when the coordination number is 6 and hybridization is D2sp3 or sp3d2. Okay students, clear? Hope I am clear to you. So this is the type of hybridization, shape of the complexes with different coordination numbers. Okay, so we have seen coordination number 2, coordination number 3, coordination number 4, coordination number 4, coordination number 5, coordination number 6. Okay, so carefully learn all these complexes, how to draw the structure of complexes when the coordination number is of different types. Okay, thank you.